WE67K-200 ton and 32,000 press brake with S860. HARSLE WE67K-200 ton and 32,000 press brake is equipped with the 8+1 axis and main servo motor, which can ensure bending accuracy and is environment friendly. Working area LED lighting. CNC motorized crowning system, 1 key released fast clamp. Standard punch and double V die with barfing treatments for long and durable service. The punch is segmented for flexible bending of small size workpieces. 6-axis back gauge X1 and X2 and R1 and R2 and Z1 and Z2. Maximum line meets all bending requirements. It uses the S860 controller, the high-end product of ESA, which supports digital programming and two-dimensional graphic programming, and three-dimensional simulation bending. Powerful functions that help lead the efficient production. Operation demonstration. Controller programming. Workpiece bending. Product demonstration.
HARSLE. Save time, money.